Here's interesting app relevant for holidays called InCard Send Custom Card. So let's just install it and see how it works. So this is birthday and thank you cards. Turn your photos into beautiful cards starting at $2. We'll print and mail your cards for you, hundreds of designs for every occasion. Customize any card, even add a gift card. Sign your card with an optional gift. Add a gift card, 50 plus stores and restaurants, like you can get Amazon, eBay, PayPal, whatever. Ship a pack of cards to yourself. So here you have it. And then it just works like this. Let me just figure out. So that's how it loads. Okay, so it just takes some time. So okay. So there you have it. This is finally loaded. So you have gifts, candy treats, birthday for her, for him, for baby and kids, holiday collection, apparel. So for example, if you're looking for holiday collection and you want to send this in card, you can see, for example, front and back. You can add some handwriting style. And then, then you can just order this card, premium matte flap card with envelope. You can also order all these cards, and then you can deliver it to them. So you can deliver card directly to your recipient. Add address, set relationship, add birthday, add another reminder, and you can just import your contacts and deliver that. Or deliver it to me. So you can also select that. So as you can see, it's pretty convenient. If you want, like to send a gift card to your friends, family, relatives, it's super cool app actually to easily do this without all the mess around, like I need to go to a store, I need to buy envelope, I need to write a card, pack it, go to post office, send it, all of that. I think it's just much easier to do it via this app. And there are so many cards, there are so many templates, and you can really make it kind of very nice looking, very custom. Thank you cards, love and anniversary cards, thinking of you, encouragement, congratulations, any occasions, travel, baby humor. So something like that. I'm not sure if this app is working outside of United States. I actually not sure. I think it only works in US. So that's basically it. You can also get some photo sources from Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google. So you can get that. So that's basically it. That's the idea, I guess. You can always reach out for their support and try out this app. Hope this is helpful and have fun.